Hi, I'm Jarrah. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a drink called Chickenfoot. To make this drink, we're going to add 5 ingredients. The first one is going to be apple juice. And I have to admit, I did not squeeze the apple juice this time. I did buy it in the store. I put it in a fancy little bottle to make it look like I squeezed it, but I didn't really squeeze it. But we're going to put 4 ounces in the shaker. 4 ounces is a bunch. I'll put the metrics down below. Next, simple syrup, and this is a 1-to-1 sugarcane, a raw sugarcane syrup. You could also use a white. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And 1 ounce of spiced sweet vermouth. And I do spice my own vermouth. There is a recipe here on the channel. I'll link it down below and in the end of the video. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Finally, the rum. 2 ounces of rum, 60 milliliters. Add your ice. Oh, it's a clean countertop. And note I didn't have to stop to get it this time. Good for me. Let's do it this way, that may be easier. And give it a shake. This is going to go in a rocks glass with a big ice cube. If you don't have a big ice cube, you can use a couple small ones. I do have a big one, which I'm going to go get now. My big ice cube happens to be in these fancy silicone skull molds, which I got from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. And so that's what I'm going to use for this cocktail. Seems appropriate. Give me a moment while I struggle this out of here. All right, out of the silicone mold, put it in the glass, and then add your drink. Garnish is going to be a lime wedge. I will cut this on camera. And that's it. Voodoo, or no, not voodoo, Chickenfoot, variant of the voodoo. Drink with good spirits.